In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your workflow using Google and QuickBooks. We'll be diving into how to efficiently import data using the Sasant Bulk Import app. This guide is perfect for both beginners and experienced users who want to enhance their productivity with QuickBooks. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. If you're already familiar with how to navigate there, then you're off to a great start. For those who are new, QuickBooks is a robust accounting software that's ideal for small to large business needs, offering solutions for everything from tracking expenses to managing payroll. It's a valuable tool for ensuring your financials are accurate and up to date. Once you're on the QuickBooks main page, your next stop is the QuickBooks App Store. This is where you'll find numerous apps designed to complement and extend the functionality of QuickBooks. Once there, use the search bar to enter Sasant Bulk Import. This handy tool is specifically designed to import IIF files effectively, which can save you an extraordinary amount of time, particularly if you're dealing with large volumes of data. When you locate the Sasant Bulk Import app, you'll see a button that says Get an App Now. Clicking on this will start the installation process. Don't worry, the app has been designed to integrate smoothly with QuickBooks, making the setup process straightforward. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This is a crucial step, as having the app properly installed ensures that your first data import will go as smoothly as possible. Now that you've installed the app, you're ready to import your files. This step, while seemingly simple, is where the real power of Sasant comes into play. Importing IIF files can be a daunting task if you're not familiar with the process or if you're doing it manually. However, with the Sasant Bulk Import app, the experience is streamlined. Once you access the tool within QuickBooks, you can select the specific IIF file you wish to import, and the app does the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Congratulations, you're done. By following these steps, you've now successfully set up and are ready to use the Sasant Bulk Import app within QuickBooks. Whether you're importing financial data, client information, or transaction records, this app ensures that your data is integrated efficiently and effectively. Keep in mind that regularly importing and updating your financial data is integral to maintaining the accuracy of your records, helping you make informed decisions for your business. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful and that your newfound knowledge will make your day-to-day accounting tasks with QuickBooks that much easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy accounting.